Villagers in Kampung Orang Asli Paya Lebar Selangor are still traumatised by their ordeal during the recent floods and are anxious every time it rains. They told the Star on Wednesday how they had to scramble for safety as the water rose to frightening levels on December 18th.
Makin lama, makin lagi naik lagi air. Jadi kita pun dah panik, mana kita nak pindah. Lepas tu kita terpaksa bawa cucu kita dukung. Dalam pukul 9 kuasa lah, 9 lebih lah. Kita bawa sampai rumah yang tinggi sana, belakang sana. Setakaan sana. Lepas kat situ lah kita dapat selamatkan. Memang gelap, lampu tak ada, api elektrik memang tak ada lah. Kita cuma pakai lampu handset je. Itu ya yang boleh kita boleh katakan dukung anak macam ni cucu. Pakai lampu macam ni, kaki macam ni.
Village Committee Chairman Abah Chahim, who has lived there all his life, said it was the worst flood he had ever experienced.
Sebab itulah kita pun kalau boleh pihak apa ni minta tolong percepatkan, korekkan bagi dalam sungai tu. Itu yang saya haraplah pada pihak yang wajiblah pihak kerajaan ke apa ke. Saya minta sangat. Sebab kita bila hujan aja orang kampung pun duduk, kita banjir. Sekarang dah trauma betul cik cakap dia. Itulah.
Asia Osman said she, her family and cats had to climb to a roof to escape the rising flood water. She added that when they made it up, they saw a snake already seeking shelter there.
Dia kata dengan ular-ular, kau ngadap hulu, aku ngadap hilir. Kita tengah susah. Ular tu pun tak diam je. Turun air tu, dia pun lari, dia pun turun ke bawah.
The villagers added that they were thankful for the aid provided by the General Operations Force after the flood receded.
Terima kasih banyak-banyak. Sangat cik tak sangka. Memang cik tak sangka macam ni lah. Orang datang menolong cik banyak sangat. Ribuan terima kasih betul.
A total of 384 police officers and personnel have been assigned to the Hulu Langat Flood Tactical Base for flood relief operations.